In our last review video, we checked out the solar-powered Cam E340. If you haven't checked it out, the video's here in the I button. And today, we have the Floodlight Cam E340. Just like the previous one, this device boasts good zooming capabilities, exceptional night modes, noticeable AI features, and a versatile dome that can rotate a full 360 degrees. We've been using the Floodlight Cam E340 since its launch, and in this video, we'll be sharing our experience with it. If you're already interested, you can find their links in the description for the best deals. Now, let's get started with the review. Unboxing was pretty simple. Nothing fancy here. The box has got the front, side, back with detailed specs, which seemed very clear to us. Removing the cover, and we can see the brand logo, safety precautions, and everything else in an organized manner. A quick peek under the divider exposes accessories, including sticker, insulation hook, USB-A to USB-C charging cable in white, screws, dowels, and an extensive paperwork collection totaling 12 items. The manual also seemed quite detailed, so you won't miss a beat. Initial impressions of the camera were positive from our side. Peeling off protective films, we appreciate the brightness caution right here. The camera feels quite solid to hold, and the build quality is satisfying. These are the floodlights with a 180-degree range, a substantial speaker, a sizable sensor, and prominent dual cameras with a large aperture lens leave a promising impression. And here, we think that features like the SD card slot, sync button, USB-C port, and user-friendly connectivity showcase thoughtful design. The pair of floodlights right here emanate significant brightness, just like a powerful panel would do. Moving to the front, the swivel arms catch our eye, providing flexibility upwards, downwards, and along the sides, a commendable level of adjustability. Additionally, there's a threaded feature on the top, which offers us the versatility for mounting different accessories. Rubber inserts are strategically placed to safeguard the screws beneath, exemplifying thoughtful build quality. Once more, a cursory glance reveals a design choice worth noting. An insert with tiny cutouts solely for aesthetic appeal, which adds a touch of sophistication. Now, shifting our focus to the camera module, its movement spans from here to nearly 90 degrees downward, and from the farthest point here, essentially facing the wall, to the furthest on the other side. On one side, it angles in one direction, while on the opposite side, it points straight at the wall. The dual camera configuration, featuring a telephoto lens and a regular camera, boasts notably large lenses, especially the latter, promising exceptional night vision capabilities. And to us, the combination of the matte finish with glossy elements felt very aesthetic. The dual camera's versatile movement and the clever design choice with tiny cutouts enhance the overall look. Of course, it is IP65 rated for water and dust protection. The temperature range is also good. It is very easy to mount. The quick release feature is convenient, but of course, we cannot remove it without disconnecting the wires. The sync here maintains the positive trajectory of our inspection. Concluding this phase, it's worth noting that closing the device after pressing the sync button is an option, so that we don't have to reactivate. Installation is simplified with a junction box, and the app does a good job in calibrating preset positions. We also found the night vision demo impressive with motion-activated lights illuminating the entire area we wanted to monitor. The AI tracking functionality is demonstrated, showcasing its speed and accuracy even in low light conditions. The color night mode with light assistance produces remarkable quality. Now, let's look into its real-life experience. The floodlights illuminate the night, offering top-notch security for your home, patio, or backyard. We can see the motion-activated lights are in operation, casting an ample and brilliant glow. Notice how it illuminates the entire area. Let's check the camera interface, and there we have it. We've strategically positioned the lights to the side, ensuring proper illumination. We see they're operating at maximum capacity, and the resulting image quality is nothing short of astonishing. Take a moment to appreciate this exceptional visual clarity. Then, to further enhance the experience, we can activate its AI tracking. Flawless execution. It's worth mentioning that our initial examination involves testing the color night mode with light assistance. The quality, particularly when the subject remains stationary, is truly fantastic, especially in the near-complete darkness. So let's of course activate the lights once more, and just like that, we're back in full operation. Currently, both cameras are equipped with active IR LEDs, and we can say that the overall image quality looks outstanding. Now, when we record a video, even the intricate details are captured vividly. The AI tracking seamlessly follows the movements. Now, if we push the boundaries and enter a pitch black area, the camera proves its mettle. Impressive performance. And we must say, the various modes earn a resounding thumbs up from my side. This camera is truly exceptional. The AI tracking, tested in various scenarios, proved to be remarkably swift and accurate. Night vision, backed by motion-activated lights, ensures clarity, even in the darkest corners. The extensive customization options in the app make this Floodlight Cam a personalized and powerful addition to your security arsenal. Taking a look into the app, the setup process felt very seamless, which enhanced our user experience. Here we go. Powering it up, we observe the LED status light and status ring, doing their routine, calibrating as they go. The process seemed very fast, which is obviously a positive start. Navigating through the 3 dots, we can see quick access to light activation, snooze mode for privacy intervals, and general settings. Moving our attention to the camera. A click on 3K Ultra and the preset button gets us there. Muting the sound to prevent feedback, we explore dual mode, adjusting streaming quality. Although my phone's limitations restrict full screen mode, despite this, the camera adeptly spots me. Commencing video recording, we test the sound, pan tilt, and the impressive field of view enabled by the dual camera setup. Illuminating the scene with light, capturing screenshots, engaging night vision, AI tracking, round look, and playback unfold seamlessly. A detailed exploration of the settings follows, edge connection for enhanced facial recognition, varied light settings from ambient to motion activated with manual adjustment options. Opting for maximum brightness reveals the camera's powerful illumination. Motion detection settings offer sensitivity adjustments and evolving AI tracking, including pet detection in the developmental phase. Defining the detection range and exploring pan and tilt settings, we witness remarkable speed, concluding with calibration. Recording quality is already optimized, offering continuous and 24/7 recording options, image flipping, audio settings, and more. With these vital settings covered comprehensively, it's time to move forward with the installation and embark on a real-world test. In conclusion, the Floodlight Cam E340 exceeded our expectations. Its design is not just visually appealing, but also highly functional. The 3K dual camera system delivers outstanding image quality and unparalleled zoom capabilities. With dual-band Wi-Fi 6, the device provides better speed, and of course, it's future-proof. The app, with its myriad features and settings, provides comprehensive control. We've put the links to purchase this in the description. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, goouttdoorzone.com.